Welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can easily turn on app icon badges specifically for Gmail ongoing call notifications. This handy feature lets you see at a glance when you have an active call linked to your Gmail app, making sure you never miss it. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open your phone's settings. This is where all the customization options for your apps live, including notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This section lists all the apps installed on your device, and you'll find Gmail right here. After selecting Gmail, look for notifications and tap on it. Notifications is where you control how Gmail alerts you, including badges for different types of notifications. Next, tap on notification categories. Here, Gmail breaks down notifications into different categories, so you can manage each one individually. Scroll through the list and find the ongoing call category. This category controls notifications related to active calls connected through Gmail. Tap on Ongoing Call. Then you'll see a toggle labeled App Icon Badges. Simply switch this toggle on to enable badge notifications for ongoing calls. That's it. With this turned on, your Gmail app icon will display a badge when you have an ongoing call, giving you a quick visual cue right from your home screen. This feature is especially useful if you multitask on your phone or often switch between apps. The badge keeps you informed without needing to jump back into Gmail or your phone's call screen. Remember, this method works with the latest Android versions and Gmail updates, so if you don't see these exact options, make sure your phone and app are fully updated. Turning on app icon badges for ongoing calls is a simple tweak that enhances your user experience by keeping essential call alerts visible at all times. Try it out now and stay connected with ease. Thanks for watching.